Hey children, today we are going to start a new topic and its name is how to become a good student. I know all of you are very good student, but today I am giving here some tips so that you can become at least a better student. Okay, when you will think about your class, there is one or two students who are best in everything, so you can also become like them. If you are one of them, it's very good. If not, it's not like it is impossible. You can also become one of them. So let's study, let's read how to become a good student. A good student is someone who is ready to learn. Yes children, this quality is, it should be within you. If you don't want to learn, no teacher can make you learn children. No teacher can teach you. So it should be from your within that you want to learn something, you want to get success in your life. So a good student is someone who is ready to learn, pays attention whenever teachers are teaching you. Always pay attention in the class, because if you will not pay attention, you will not understand anything. Then how will you pass your exam? Because you don't have to memorize all the things and just copy it down. Fine, you have to remember the things, you have to understand the concept, then only you can remember, right? So pay attention in the class. Follows direction. Yes children, teachers are your well wishers. They will always show you the good path, so you have to follow their directions. Ask questions. Yes, it's very important thing. If you are learning something, if you are understanding the concept, you can easily ask questions if you have not understand anything. See children, if you will not ask questions, how will teacher understand that you have understood the concept or not? So please ask question, as many as you can. Offers to help. Yes, if you see that the students who are sitting nearby your benchmate, they are not able to do or solve the problem, you can offer help. You can make them understand, and what will happen in this way, you will revise the concept again, so your base will be strong. Does their best. Yes children, you please try to give your best in everything, not only in studies. Whatever activities are going on in the school, whatever activities you are getting, please give your best. It's not necessary to come first children, it's important to participate. It doesn't matter you pass, you fail, you got the highest percentage, you got first prize. No, it's important to participate. You will learn something from there. Follows the rules. Very important children. A disciplined student can become a good student, and for that you have to follow the rules and regulations of the school. It's not only about school, at your home also you should follow the rules. Uses a quiet voice. Yes children, don't scream, don't shout unnecessary. Please use a quiet voice, calm voice, and maintain peace in the class. And participates. Yes children, just now I have told you, you should actively participate in all the activities going on in your classroom or in your school or in your neighborhood also. Please participate. And respect others. Yes, respect others means what? Only teachers or parents? No, all your elders also, even your friends and the students who are junior to you. Please respect everyone, because everyone deserve to get respect children. So who is a good student? A good student is someone like you. I hope you all are good student and you will try to become better and better day by day. That's all for today children. Thank you.